Thank you, Shubhendu and Nancy. Good morning, everyone. Let us now have a quick look at the top lines in the finance world. Bankruptcy bill gets Rajya Sabha nod a week after it was passed in Lok Sabha. It is a bill to overhaul century-old laws that regulate insolvency. It is a vital reform that will make it much easier to do business in India. Once the president signs the legislation, India will have a new bankruptcy law. Digital India success seen in passport and pension processing systems through eKranti, which aims to ensure a government-wide transformation by delivering all services electronically. Telecom Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad informed Lok Sabha that more than 192 e-transactions have been reported since January and many more online centers to come up. Banks to infuse more funds into stalled road projects. National Highways Department and Ministry has reached an understanding with banks on infusing funds equivalent to government equity infusion in select stalled projects. At least 7,500 kilometers of highway projects are said to be stalled at this moment. Well, moving on, Minister of State for Finance Jayant Sinha said bankruptcy law will enhance ease of doing business in India and certainly it will be a major step in tackling NPA issues. He spoke to DD News exclusively.
जो हमारी आर्थिक व्यवस्था है उसमें बहुत सुधार हमें मिलेगा। देखिए, आज के समय आपको मालूम है कि एनपीए और विलफुल डिफॉल्टर्स की समस्या है और इस समस्या का समाधान हम लोग इस कानून के तहत हम लोग अवश्य कर पाएंगे। साथ साथ हम लोग ये भी कर पाएंगे कि जो आज के समय जो बैंक हैं और जो कर्मचारी हैं, जो वर्कर्स हैं, उनकी जो ड्यूज़ हैं उनको हम लोग सुरक्षित रख पाएंगे, तो इसलिए उनको भी सुरक्षा मिलेगी इस तरीके से। और तीसरी बात यह है कि जो कॉर्पोरेट डेट मार्केट जिसको कहते हैं वो इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से चल पाएगा, ज़्यादा लिक्विड हो पाएगा।
So, well, it will be a game changer once the bankruptcy law is implemented. And moving on to the markets, the global market side, to begin with the US markets. US stocks, in fact, dropped yesterday, and actually there were some results which actually have come up and that impacted the US stock markets, and they were down. Dow Jones was up, down, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq were also down. And then moving on to the European markets. European markets had a different story, slightly flat, but still on a lower side, we can say. FTSE 100 is up by just 6 points, but German DAX is down by 70 points there. This is a mixed story in the European markets. And now coming to the Asian markets, if we have a look at the Asian markets, the impact of the Wall Street going down is impacting the Asian markets as well. Nikkei, Hang Seng, Shanghai Composite, SGX 50, all are subdued in nature. In fact, they're giving this negative cues, which would be taken by the Indian markets as well. We'll have to see. Moving on to the Indian markets, how they have closed. Indian markets have snapped that sort of a green run for the last 1 week. In BSE Sensex is down by 175 points and Nifty down by 39 points. In fact, markets were looking cautious because of the developments that have taken place between the with the tax that would be imposed on the Mauritius P notes. That has impacted the Indian markets as well, but we'll have to see how exactly these will be faring in the coming day. Well, that's all in the finance world. Once again, back to Nancy.